Okay, y'all, so we had kind of a really rare occurrence on the old homestead here, and let me introduce you to a few things. This crazy guy right here is called a Turken. I guess they're a cross between a turkey and a chicken, or they just look like a turkey and a chicken. But anyway, that's a Turken. Pretty funny looking, right? Obviously, those are guineas. Now, supposedly, it's very, very rare that a guinea will mate with anything other than a guinea. But, let me show you what happened. So, we had two mama guineas start laying on eggs. And once they started hatching, lo and behold, this fella pops out. Now, you can see everyone looks like a guinea, except for those two little bantam chickens. Don't worry about them. But, we got about 8 million guineas, right? So check this out. This was the first egg to hatch. And it was 100% a guinea egg. Wasn't a chicken egg that somebody put underneath the guinea. It was a guinea egg. Now, if that ain't a guinea and a Turken cross, then I don't know what is. Is that not crazy? Now again, supposedly they're super rare, and guineas don't normally cross with anything. But we got one. Isn't it cute? I mean, in his own ugly little way. Look at his eyeballs. So cool. And every other egg was a regular guinea. I gotta move those little bantam chickens, but other than that, I can't count them all, but we have got a whole pile of guineas. Alright, so now y'all have seen a Turken Guinea cross.